Hey y'all, I am Burn Beauty 2018. My name is Tanya. Let's do a quick get ready with me. I love this foundation by Onesize Beauty, Patrick Starrr. It's the BBB cream in medium dark. I put it on with the sponge so that it goes on a little bit lighter. And then this Haus Triclone Skin Tech Concealer has a lot of good skincare in it. And I just got it, but it says with 2 weeks use, it can depuff your under eye. Loving the blurring powder by Onesize Beauty. I got Rich Peach, and for my skin tone, it's just beautiful, like melted in. I grabbed my Sigma Beauty products to finish the look today. That was primer that I put on, and then I grabbed the contour palette. It's really easy. You've got everything you need. That is the Sigma New Mods palette. I didn't want much, but I did add a little bit of glitter, blend it out. I've been using this cute little eyeliner that I picked up. It is so easy. It's a gel liner, looks like a lipstick. This is Patrick Ta Double Take Blush in She's Giving. You put the powder on first and then cover it with the cream. Just dab the cream on top and it gives this amazing color. My lashes are by Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics. Let the glue get tacky so they'll stick. A little bit of Fake Awake eye highlighter in nude. I decided to go with L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipstick in Worth It medium, and then back to Sigma for a little bit of a highlight. I love this look. A little bit of setting spray, a little bit of gloss, and I was out the door this morning. You see, I've even got my stuff in my bra so I don't forget to take it. I love y'all. Remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.